Imagine creating a talking animated character in under 10 minutes. No animation skills needed. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Gemini and HeyGen from AI and Bytes Hub. Today you'll learn how to turn simple text into a fully animated video using Google Gemini and HeyGen. It is fast, fun and professional. The workflow is super simple. First go to Gemini, upload your image and write a prompt to change the image into an animated cartoonish, official or unofficial as you want. Gemini will create an image based on your prompt. After the image is generated, download it to your device. Next, go to the HeyGen AI website. Create an account or just click Get Started for free to begin. A new page will open. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. For the easiest way, I choose the Google account option. Tap on your Google account. Click on Continue. Your account is now created. Next, choose your plan as free and answer a few personal questions related to the site. Now, to turn your photo into a talking animation, in Shortcuts section, click on the Photo to Video. On the left side, click on Upload Photo. Change it to the full screen from here. Here, you will see the portrait and landscape options. Now go to the right side of the page and click on Upload Audio. Here you have two options. The first one is Record Audio, which lets you record your voice right here. The second option is Upload Audio, where you can upload a pre-recorded voice file. For example, I am using the second option. Click on Add Audio and scroll down. To express emotion and tone, you have several options such as calm, emotional, friendly, thoughtful, and more. Let's choose the excited and emotive option. Click here to adjust the video quality, and change the video duration from here. Now click on Generate Video. Wait a few seconds while HeyGen prepares your video. Your animation video is ready. Click on it to preview. Imagine creating a talking animated character in under 10 minutes. No animation skills needed. Let me show you how. Click here to download your video. Try this method today and share your results in the comments. If you want more fast AI content creation tutorials, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.